A visit to Kaziranga and Sivasagar, MCQs, class 9. What are the names of the children mentioned in the chapter A Visit to Kaziranga and Sivasagar? Lohit and Trisha, Mohit and Trisha, Lohit and Tina. Answer option number A. What makes Assam a unique state? Tea gardens and natural scenery, national parks, ancient temples and monuments. Answer option D, all of the above. Answer D, all of the above. What is the best time to visit Kaziranga? December to April, November to March, July to November. Answer option number B. In which year was Kaziranga designated as a national park? 1974, 1975, 1977. Answer option number A. What was the capital of the Ahom kings during 1699 to 1788? Option number A, Rangpur, Jorhat, Choraido. Answer option number A. Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary was earlier known as Kaziranga Park, Kaziranga Conservation Sanctuary, Kaziranga Game Sanctuary. Answer option number C. Kaziranga National Park was created to conserve dash the Indian wild bear, the one-horned rhino, the Indian grey mongoose. Answer option number B. Kaziranga listed by dash as a site of the preserved in the interest of the international community. WWF, IUCN, Nature Conservancy, UNESCO. Answer option number D, UNESCO.